What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at an electric air duster by Fanttik. This is the B10 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a look at it. All right, so once we open up the box, we get a few things. We have your user manual, and we have this nice bag. Fanttik always has nice packaging, and this feels very premium. So we have a few accessories in here. These are going to be some attachments. So you get these attachments, you can use these to really have the air pinpoint the area that you want to, blow dust out of, tight spaces, different things like that. You can also use these attachments to blow up inflatables as well. So it acts as a duster and an inflator if you need to. You also have these cleaning brushes. This is going to help you really get the dust out, really get your electronics cleaned or whatever you are going to be cleaning. You also get this nice wrist strap. You can use this to either strap it on your wrist or put it on the bag if needed to. And then you also get this USB-C cable. This is going to be used to charge the unit, or you can use this to connect to a different device because the air duster acts as a power bank as well. And this is going to be the air duster. Just get a look at this. This looks really, really good. It's going to have a brushless motor. You have easy controls right here. So we're going to hit that power button, and it starts off at level 1. There's 6 different levels or speeds. You also have an indicator of your battery percentage. And then on the front, you have a light. You also have an extra button for your max power. So with this 130,000 RPM brushless motor and variable speeds, you can really do a lot with this. And it's nice and compact. So say for instance, you're wanting to clean a keyboard, you can do that. What you would want to do is take your attachment, get that spun on, power it up, and we can just brush that dust right out the keyboard. So guys, this is going to be the 6-speed electric air duster and power bank by Fanttik. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.